Oh man, Bubba's. Oh, you crying? Babies. I said you gotta be patient, okay? You guys ate very late last night, so you can't eat first thing in the morning, okay? You're mad at me? You crying over here? Oh, Bubba, stop. Oh, it's so rough, huh? You have to eat a little later than your normal time? Yeah, we have to wait a little bit. Oh. Oh, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You have to wait a little bit to eat this morning? You throwing a tantrum? Oh, man. So rough, huh? You have such a rough life. You have to wait to eat your eggs and your chicken, huh? You have to wait a little bit. I know, Bubba. You're a good boy. You being a good boy. He's such a little crybaby, you know that? He's such a little crybaby. He's such a little crybaby. What do you think, Percy? Percy says I'm not interested at all in any of this. Keep me out of this. Bubba's, you gotta wait a little bit, okay? It's not time yet. We love you. So everybody, thank you for watching. Say like and subscribe below. Huh? You are too much, Zeusy. You're a funny man. I know. No crying, okay? You can talk to me all you want. No crying, okay? Big boy. Big handsome. Yes. Okay. Big old silly man.